This is a recipe for disaster.
Welcome to Fans of the Dead special episode New Orleans Hurricane drink recipe.
All right. So the official drink of New Orleans is the hurricane. So if we ever make a hurricane, is it still cool to do a hurricane?
Too soon?
I don't know. Anyway, we're doing it because I guess it's the official drink. So what you got is rum, light rum.
It's a lot of rum.
We're only getting started. And then dark rum. Our Captain Morgan. So I had my friend Q do the measurements because it says 2 ounces of each, and obviously we want a little more. So bear with me as we do 7 ounces of passion fruit.
Just throw everything in. I don't think anyone will notice the difference.
Three and a half of orange juice. You need to do a 3.5 count.
Yep, we got a little leaking.
Are we leaking? It wasn't shut. Oopsie daisy. It says 3 tablespoons of grenadine, but there's so much sugar in there already. We're just going to do a splash. Don't need too much. Lime juice, 1.75 ounces.
Dude, that was like 1.77.
Get it out.
Measurements, bro.
That's it. Mix it up. That's not a lot. It's not a lot of beverage there. I hope you guys aren't thirsty. Okay, we've got a problem. Houston. Oh man, these came out really good, huh? Oh, hey, wait. Sometimes you go to plan B, a little speed bump. It's okay. Thanks, Bacardi. I think we're sponsored now.
Sweet.
It's going to be really sweet. Thank you. Cheers.